exactly do you get tickets on the Colosseum website? First, you need to visit the official website of the Colosseum, which I'm linking to in the description below. The official website is ticketing.colosseo.it. If the website opens in Italian, you can switch to another language by clicking one of these options at the top. You're either going to want tickets for individuals or for an educational tour. Now, because you're going to have to create a login so that you can provide your email so they can send you your ticket to your email address, I would suggest that you create your login first. This way, you don't have to waste time doing it at the end of the procedure, and it'll be less stressful. Also, if you plan on trying to get those hard-to-get tickets, you're probably going to be visiting this ticketing site more than once, and if you already have your login, that's just one less step you'll have to worry about. I suggest that you click both educational tours and the part for individuals and just browse through the offerings so you can be familiar with what's available. When you're ready, navigate to the section where you want to purchase tickets. As an example, I'm going to use the ticket that's easiest to come by, which is the standard entry ticket. When you click that, it will take you to a screen where you can enter the number of people in your party, and then you can scroll down to the calendar and select your date. When you select the total number of people in your party, make sure to account for everyone. This includes, for example, people who have a right to a free ticket, such as children under the age of 18 and anyone with a disability. You can check the rules on the Colosseum website to see who qualifies for free or reduced tickets. When you get free or reduced tickets, you may be asked to show proof that you are eligible for those tickets. If your date is available but certain time slots are grayed out, it simply means that those time slots are not available and you'll have to pick a different time slot. But as I'm showing you, for standard entry Colosseum tickets, there are usually plenty of time slots available, even for same-day purchase. And the great news is there is no fee to purchase your tickets online. So even if you didn't book the Colosseum and you just showed up here in Rome and you want to book for same-day purchase, you can buy your tickets online with no downside. This means you never have to stand in line to purchase Colosseum tickets. Once you've chosen your date and your time slot, you're going to have to select the number of people going on that time slot. Now, if you chose 4 people, you have to enter 4 people. If all 4 are adults, just choose 4 adults. If 2 are adults and 2 are, say, children under 18, then just select that. You must book for your children even though they have a right to free tickets because they have to show up as somebody who's going to be entering the Colosseum. So once you've selected the number of people, you've chosen your date and your time slot, just proceed to the checkout. The rest is pretty self-explanatory. After you finalize your purchase, you'll receive an email with a PDF that contains your tickets. You don't have to print out this PDF. You can show it on your phone or tablet. Just make sure you have with you some sort of government-issued photo ID that proves that you are the person whose name is on the ticket. You do not need to bring your actual passport with you. A photocopy will suffice. When you look at the Colosseum calendar and you see all the dates there, you're going to notice that some of the dates have a black number, some have a gray number, and some are crossed out. They give you a little key about this below the calendar so you can see that a black number means that tickets are available for that date, a gray number means that there just are no tickets available for that date, and a crossed out number means they're sold out. The reason I'm explaining this is because I often get the question, what does this mean when a day is grayed out? Because you'll look at a day in the middle of a bunch of availability and see that just one day is grayed out, not sold out, but grayed out. Anytime you see a day that is grayed out, that's in the middle of other days where there is availability, it simply means that for that day, there are no tickets available. Not that they're sold out. You can't get tickets. You're always going to see a grayed out date on the first Sunday of every month because that's the free Sunday. You need a ticket to enter the Colosseum on the free Sunday, but you have to get it on site on that day. So you just have to show up, go to the ticket booth, and get your ticket. When exactly are Colosseum tickets released? What time? What time zone? Tickets for the Colosseum Night Tour and tickets for the Arena Full Experience are released 7 days in advance. All other Colosseum tickets are released 30 days in advance. This does not mean a month in advance, it means 30 days. For tickets that are easy to come by, like the standard entry or either of the arena floor tickets, you're probably not going to have to worry too much about this. You can buy these tickets closer to your arrival date, even the day before or often on the same day as you want to visit. But I think people are most interested in this topic when they are looking for those elusive tickets: the Underground, the Optico, and the Night Tour. For example, today is July 29th, so if we look for availability 30 days from now, you're going to see that we arrive on August 28th, because if we count 30 days from now, not including the free Sunday, we arrive at August 28th. So let's use standard entry tickets as an example. They are released throughout that day at their corresponding ticket times. And when I say they're released at their corresponding ticket times, I'm referring to this time zone, Central European Time. If we open up August 28th as an example, we'll see that tickets are available up to around 11 a.m. because it's around 11 a.m. right now in Rome. The next two easiest tickets to get after the standard entry ticket are the two arena floor tickets. If we take a look at both of these arena floor tickets, you're going to notice something interesting about the calendar. In either case, the arena floor ticket is pretty easy to come by, even the full experience ticket that's only available up to 7 days in advance. In my opinion and in my experience, the Colosseum full experience arena floor ticket is really one of the best tickets you can get.